Morning. Hope you've had a good week so far. This week has been it's getting busy again because tutoring's picking up with the new term at school. But tutoring is busy, kind of like passing details on to the other tutors is also kind of like busy. But I've been trying to focus predominantly on the new tutor support group to help others who are looking to become tutors. But the other thing this week, which we've done, was yesterday we started the times tables workshop, which if you're a parent and your child's struggling with the times tables, then we'll be doing it again next Tuesday. Please do feel free to hop on and see if there's anything of helpful there. These are my, oh, you can't see them, my very technical notes for the workshop. Um, so the workshop was yesterday. We'll do it again next Tuesday and see. Hopefully, momentum will pick up with that. And the other thing is that on one day last week, I was chatting in our home ed WhatsApp group, and someone asked if I was going to be doing or if I could offer group lessons, and I've always said no because I believe that if the child is struggling, which is probably the reason they're having tutoring, then to be in a group of people, it's more intimidating. It's harder to ask questions if you're not sure about something. So we've always done one-to-one. And also that way you can work with the specific needs of that individual child rather than the generic needs of the group. So prior to the summer, we were doing free lessons, which were group lessons. But what I decided to do is they're not going to be group lessons as such. It's more going to be kind of like 45 minutes of maths, and it'll be games and resources and things like that. And the goal is just to boost your confidence, boost your knowledge, but not in a formal learning sort of way. It will be a group lesson, but there will be caps, and these will be offered inside the premium membership of the Clara James Approach. The premium membership is £12.97 a month, and that also gives you the we post the resources out to you each month rather than just downloading them from the computer yourself. And there's also a freebie kind of like each month. It might be something simple like the games and counters and the dice to that you would need to play the games, or it might be that if we've just started a new book in the book club, it would be the resource or a copy of the book so that you can read along yourself. So I think that's the biggest thing that's happened so far this week. Um, and I'm also going to be doing an offer that if anyone joins the premium approach either this week or next week, then you will receive, I don't have one to hand, which is really annoying. Hannah has the lady that does my graphic design. She is amazing. She's so talented. And what she's done is I gave her my templates for the games that I use for times tables, kind of like snakes and ladders, board games, lily pads, pairs, etc. And she's compiled them all into a book for me. There's one which is just a generic version. Then there's one which is focused on dinosaurs, one which is focused on fairies. And so if anyone joins the premium membership either this week or next week, let me know what version of the book you would like, and I'll pop one in the post for you. Um, so yeah, to do that, just email me from the account that you've used to join the membership, and then I can kind of tally the two up and I'll get it posted out. Anyway, have an amazing week. Have a great week. And I'm off to meet Clara for lunch later, which will be really lovely. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.